Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a NETGEAR AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender the correct way. So if the extender stopped connecting, if it is keep dropping the signals, refuse to pair with your router, resetting it can often solve the problem completely. So before even resetting the extender, you need to remember that a factory reset erases all the saved settings. That means your Wi-Fi network information, the custom passwords and the mesh pairing details will be removed. So after the reset, the extender returns to its original out-of-the-box setup state. So you need to look carefully at the side or the bottom of the NETGEAR AX mesh extender. So here you will find this type of a reset button. So you just have to simply press this particular reset button over here. It is should be this type of pinhole. So in order to press it properly, you need to eject a tool into it. So keep the extender powered on during the process. Then press and hold this particular reset button for about 7 to 10 seconds until the LED light starts blinking or changes color. Now once the light reacts, you just have to release the button and allow the extender a few minutes to reboot completely. So during this process, the extender may disconnect or restart automatically more than once. After the reset finishes, the extender will begin broadcasting its default setup network again. So then you just have to follow further instructions in order to set it up again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.